Going on in here?
Three graham crackers, Mom.
Can you wave hello?
Hello.
Can you smile at Mom?
Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Just a big smile. What's your sister doing?
I'm in the graham cracker.
And what's Daddy doing?
I'm in clean up. I'm cleaning.
Is Daddy cleaning?
Daddy's cleaning.
Yeah.
Can you say, Grandma, Grandpa, I love you?
I'm glad I love you.
Should we send them a picture? Can you wave at Mommy?
Yeah.
What's Lauren and Hannah doing?
I'm taking the water and I'm taking some milk. Yeah, me, happy,
Can you give Hannah a kiss?
the for big hug.
Can you give Hannah a kiss?
Let me too. I'm gonna say, yeah.
Lauren, Hannah, can you give Lauren a kiss?
Mwah. Let me too.
Lauren, Hannah, can you give Lauren a kiss? Give Hannah a kiss. Lauren, kissies. Oh, that's nice. Big kisses.